We've got a house full of people. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna go on the boat. What else are we gonna do?
We're gonna go explore. We're gonna play here at the state park.
The park. We're gonna go swimming and we're gonna ride around the lake. We're gonna have so many adventures. So we're excited.
Explore.
And we're gonna explore a lot. All right, let's do it.
Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Derek's Adventures.
Woohoo! Hi. Chandler, are we going on the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are we gonna do on the boat?
Bye.
Party?
Swim!
Party!
Woo!
Manny, don't start your craziness.
Oh no.
Crazy with all these people here.
Oh. Dance. We're going on the lake. See anything?
Yes. Hi guys, welcome. So we're back, and yeah. So here's Tyler. Okay, I'm gonna go jump. I'm gonna jump up. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Stella is gonna be here later on, and yeah. So I'll vlog when it's here. And yeah. So let's go under. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Awesome, dude! High five! Good job! Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Say hi. Hi. Your nickname. He wants to show you his nickname. T-Bone? T-Bone! 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 Jump! Warning, there's a dead fish nearby, so. Huh? There's a dead fish nearby. Just saying. Hi. Say hi. Dead fish. Hi. There's a dead vlogging. Yeah, I know. This is a. No, I'm telling you. There's a dead fish where? Like around this area, so. And it ran into my life jacket. so my life jacket was stinking for like 5 minutes. Well, this is our first one.
You want to jump? You jump like Daddy. You ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Whee!
I need that, Jimmy.
We've been cooped up all winter. This is what happens. Whee!
Are you finished? Are you done?
Redneck style.
Chandler, are you done?
No.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Stop it.
Potty
Here,
training
get
at
your
its finest. All right, Lala, you ready? What are you gonna do? Off the very top? I don't know.
Ready?
Yep.
World record!
There you go. Woo! Very nice. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Woo! Show me how you spin. There you go. Whoa. Wow. Very nice.
Guys, hi. so much fun vlogging. It's really fun.
Hi, Lila.
Hi. So we're going to the rope swing right there, and I'm gonna jump off. And Lori Beth is also gonna jump off.
Lori Beth, are you gonna jump?
Yes.
Yeah.
So is Savannah.
Lycan, are you gonna jump?
No.
Why?
The mossy rocks.
You don't like the mossy rock.
It grosses her out.
Oh, man. So we're gonna judge the rope swing competition. So Lila, Savannah, and Lori Beth are all up at the top, and whoever scores the highest rating out of Lycan, Nanny, and me wins.
Lila, go all the way out before you let go.
Woo! What are we rating that?
Well, I think that was
1 through 10.
9.75.
9 point, a 10? I'll give her a 9.5. All right, Savannah, your turn. Savannah, Savannah. Go, Nana, go. Go, Nana, go. Go, Nana, go. Woo! All right, what are we rating it? A 1? 9.0. I'll give her like an 8.75. It was close.
I'll give it
Alright, look, here goes Lori Beth.
Alright,
I'll give her an 8.
Lori Beth. Oh, she's going off the top. Alright. Lori Beth. Lori Beth. Woo! Alright.
I give that a 2.
A 2? 9.5. I'll give her a 9.5 too. That was pretty good. Alright. So Lila wins. Lila won the first round.
I feel like I let go so early, but my hand slipped.
Vote again.
Oh,
Okay, I'm doing a front flip. 3, 2, 1. Woo, that was fun.
We are moving like crazy. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Right there.
you said what?
20 feet from our racing boat. That's a lot. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money.
For what?
Hey.
What are you gonna do with it
It's a
though?
lot of money just to go fast.
Just to go fast on the water.
Here and just hold it.
Chandler, are you driving fast? Yeah, you're doing a great job driving.
Now push the gas.
Whoa! Good job driving. You're doing great.
We're all really scared. We got a little girl driving.
Okay, today I'm gonna be jumping, and he is gonna catch me. He is. I'm scared. 3,
You want a video?
2, 1.
Down the court. Down the court. Score. Good job.
Lila Kate doing cheers.
So good.
Woo, Lila. Huh? No, you can't get off? I think you'll make it. You think you'll make it? There you go. Nice work. Dab. Oh, and she's in the water. Oh, no. Thanks for helping me learn a cheer. Thank you so much. Oh, Lakin's going to push her in. Ah, she's in. And now Lakin's in. Ah, everybody's in the water. Alright, Lila, how was your weekend? Good. You have fun? Yeah. Yeah? What about you, B? Yeah. You have fun? Yeah. Alright.
What about Chandler? Did Chandler have fun?
Yeah.
Are the chips good? And you have fun?
Hey guys, so we're back and we're going to Freddy T's. Teeth Shake. Freddy T's Teeth Shake Shack. And it's a new ice cream place that they just made. So yeah. Woo! Go Chandler!
Practicing,
I'll stay right here.
we're practicing, what is this game called?
Cornhole.
Cornhole, we're practicing our
Go
cornhole.
Chandler.
Woo!
Let me
He's put
try.
4 in so far, go ahead. Woo. Let him in, Chandler.
Oh, there you go. You made it in.
Wait, can I practice?
Alright, get back there and do it again.
Almost. Alright, Lila, what are we doing?
I'm going to do some flips for you.
Why are we doing flips though? Where are we at?
We're at Teeth Shake Shack.
Shake Shack, and we're getting freak shakes. They're gonna be so good. Oh my god.
I'm not.
All right.
Just no kidding.
Alright. Let me see that flip.
Watch, Chandler, watch.
Do it. Surprise me. Woo! That was great. So the milkshake place wait was a little bit long. So we're playing games.
Kill the shark.
Get him, Lincoln, get him, get him. Chandler, what game you want to play? You want to play the Gators? Oh, I love the Gators. All right, Chandler. Lincoln, you gonna help him? Hit him. Hit him on the nose. Get him on the nose. Get him. Good job. Good job, Chandler. Get him. Good job. Get him, Chandler. Get him. Get him. Good job. Nice. Get him. Get him. Get him. Ah, get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Chandler. Go. Get him. Get him. Get him. Good job. Yeah. Get him. Get this one. Get this one. Get him, get him, get him. Nice. Good job. Almost. Good, go, 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 go. Get him, get him, get him. We're all coming out now all at once. Nice work. Get him, Chandler. Hit him on the head. Get him. Get him. Good job. That one got green, purple, red, blue. Orange. They're fast, aren't they? We've got our milkshake. Whoa. Lakin, is yours good? Lila. Chandler, is yours good?
Wonderful, thank you. Would you like to try some of mine?
It's so close up.
Drink out of the straw.
Dim with.
Me and your neighbor are going to share this. How is it? Do you like cherries? You can have my cherry. How about that? Good? Goody, you want to try? You want to try? You want the strawberry? Okay, hold on.
Yours good?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you get?
Uh-oh, here it is. On
Mine
the
was
stick.
French vanilla.
Look, take it to Mommy and ask Mommy to help you with it.
Blue raspberry.
Are we going today?
The doggy park.
What are we gonna do at the park?
Play.
Play?
Play with Shoshi.
Play with Soshi, the big dog, huh?
And make a star. And we're gonna play on the playground.
Yeah?
If there even is one.
Oh yeah?
Chandler, what are you eating?
Is this
Are
Chandler?
you eating gummy worms? Oh my goodness, look at those gummy worms.
Are
It's
you eating a
Memorial
worm?
Day, day 3, and we're taking a break from the water and going to the park. Woo! Alright, we're at the state park and we're throwing balls to Soshi. Go, Lala! Woo! Good throw.
That's what I was calling you.
Mommy.
You want to throw it?
Yeah.
Okay, you can throw it.
Up here. Go.
Here. Lila, can Chandler throw it?
Let Lila, let Chandler throw this one, and then you get that one.
Here, Chandler. Ready? Throw
Ready?
it. Nice job! Good throw.
She's got both balls in her mouth. Look.
Uh-oh. It's okay.
Oh no!
Oh!
She got us. She splashed us.
Here you go, Lakin. You want to throw it, Lakin?
You want to throw it?
Mommy, do it.
You want to throw it next? All right, after Lakin, you can throw it. All right, Lakin, you ready? Oh, you gotta get all the way over there? All right, here she goes. There you go. Throw all the way right there. Whoa, that was a good throw.
Mommy turn.
Nice job.
Throw that
All
away.
right, your turn.
All right, bring it up here. Bring it
All right,
back.
come here, Soshi.
But there's another dog over there.
So she drop it.
Oh, she dropped it. It's just, here. Chandler, you can throw this one.
With that, just so you can fish
There you
it out.
go. Throw it hard. Whoa, she got it in her mouth.
Oh, good catch.
All right. Daddy's going to throw it. Oh, she almost
the
got
other one,
it.
Brandon.
Nice job.
I'm the only
Good work. You want to throw it again?
one.
Here. Ah!
Put it down.
Here you go. All right, here we go. Throw it. Nice job.
Their winter caller.
She's like, all right, we're going in the water. Uh-oh. Lakin, you going in? All right. Oh, no. Don't get our shorts wet.
Raise your shirt straight up.
Oh, my goodness.
Lakin, raise your dress up.
Raise your dress up like it's going to get wet. Not all the way up. There you go. Like that. That's good. Good job. Oh, wet. You like those rocks, huh?
No.
All right, it's the end of our long Memorial Day weekend. Uh-oh, go get the ball. We all had a lot of fun swimming and playing on the lily pad and being wild and crazy with everyone that was here.
Eating a lot of popsicles.
Eating a lot of popsicles because it was really hot out. And we all got some sun.
Got a farmer's
We got some tan. Lila has a farmer's tan. You? Did you have fun? Yeah?
Jenna, did you?
All right. Well, we'll see everyone next time. Tell everyone bye.
Bye. See you guys on the
Say
next
bye,
vlog.
everybody.
Bye.